God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. As I make another step to a rather long journey ahead, I found out that there are things that can be easily taken away from you, no matter how you work hard and fight for it. That life can be a fountain of joy and laughter, and yet it can be unfair. But then I realized all these are just part of the process of growing up, of learning, of knowing the world, and more importantly, it only makes you understand that it's not about how you obtain your academic honors and appreciation. It's about how everything unfolds before your very eyes. Makes you a better individual, a person that will seek wisdom than honors. To our distinguished guest speaker, Dr. Rowena Simiñaca Oca, to our supportive and adorable principal, Ma'am Jean Elita, to our GPTA President, Captain Five Datu, to all beloved parents, dear teachers, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant and blessed morning to all. We finally hurdled one part of our course that we have read. I am sure we have mixed feelings as we embark on a new phase in our efforts to gain more knowledge. Sa paglisten natin sa Hermosa Elementary School, tayo'y papalaot na sa mas mapaghamong buhay mag-aaral. Surely, we will encounter more challenges, pero lahat ng yan ay sakap na nagpapatibay sa patuloy nating pagsuklas ng kaalaman, sa patuloy nating pagtahak at pagharap sa mga responsibilidad at pagsubok sa buhay. Napakahalaga ng edukasyon. Ito ang magiging sandata natin sa darating na panahon. We can arm ourselves with perseverance, patience, honesty, hard work, and confidence to face the real world. Nasa kamay natin mga kabataan ang magiging kinabukasan ng bansang ating kinabibilangan. We should bear in mind that we are all made for a purpose. Bawat isa ay mahalaga. May tamang lugar na dapat kalagyan. May parteng dapat kampanan sa ating lipunan. Sa ang lugar man tayo dalhin ng ating kapalaran, tayo ay may mga dapat imunin at sa pagtanggap natin ng diploma ng ating pagtatapos, ay ihandog natin ang taus-pusong pasasalamat sa kanila na nagbigay daan sa pagdiriwang na ito. To the institution that has nurtured us through the years, I am very grateful and proud that I was able to grow and improve myself in the compounds of Hermosa Elementary School. Ipagmamalaki ka namin saan man kami makarating. Everyone who remembers his own educational experience remembers teachers, not methods and techniques. The teacher is the kingpin of educational experience. To all the teachers who have kept the faith and just to share the journey with me, my deepest gratitude. Maraming salamat po, hindi ko po kayo malilimutan. To all my classmates who have shared 6 colorful years of my life, you are the priceless all along. Thank you for all the cherished moments I will never forget. Lalo-lalo na sa aking mga kaibigan na lagi kong katuwa, karamay, sa lahat ng sandali. Through my ups and downs, nariyan kayo. Walang iwanan, tunay na mga kaibigan. Most special thanks to my ever-supportive parents who were there for me every step of the way. Daddy, Mommy, maraming salamat po sa mga pagsusumikap na mabigyan kaming magkapatid ng magandang buhay. Kayo, 10 na buong pamilya ang aking inspirasyon. Handog ko po sa inyo ang karangalang ito. Mahal na mahal po kayo. Last and foremost, I would like to humbly dedicate this significant achievement to God Almighty, who has blessed us with our own unique talents. I offer this along with my other triumphs to you. Naniniwala ako na kung ano man ang naipagkaloob na biyaya sa iyo, ay lalong nagiging kapaki-pakinabang at kapuri-puri kung ang mga ito'y iyong maibabahagi. Sa pagtahak namin sa panibagong landas, Ama namin, nawakoy patuloy niyo kaming subaybayan at pagpalain magpakailanman. Muli po, magandang umaga at maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.